Wow, have you ever seen those colorful lights in the sky? They look so beautiful, but do you know what they really are?
I know they are called polar auroras, but I don't have any idea why they happen. Could it be magic?
Maybe. A long time ago, people believed they were spirits of ancestors dancing in the sky.
That's so interesting, but nowadays we have a scientific description before we reveal it. Let's try to guess.
I think the auroras are a natural phenomenon caused by solar storms.
Exactly, those solar storms send a lot of small particles with electric charge. This is called the solar wind, and this is attracted to the Earth's magnetic field.
That sounds interesting. However, what happened next? Is the sky on fire?
I'm not really sure.
So we can say that, according to our hypothesis, polar auroras are a natural phenomenon caused by solar storms. Their particles are attracted to Earth's magnetic field, and then, boom, something amazing happens, but we don't know what yet.
I think it's the perfect time to do research and find out what really happens.
First, what is a polar aurora?
I don't know. Do you know?
Well, according to the World Meteorological Organization, a polar aurora is a bright phenomenon that appears in the upper layers of the atmosphere in the form of curtains, arcs, or bands.
Wow, that sounds interesting. I heard the name change depending on the region. If they are in the North Pole, like Santa Claus, they are called Northern Lights. But if they are in the South Pole, they are called Southern Lights.
Amazing, I didn't know that. Did you?
Let me tell you how these auroras appear. A small particle from the sun travel through space and follow Earth's magnetic field. They move towards the poles, and when they get there, they crash in the gases in the atmosphere like balls hitting each other. These trade energy in the form of lights, making the bright colors we see in the sky.
Oh, yes. The color depends on the type of gas in the air and the particles received from the sun. For example, when the particles hit oxygen between 2000 and 5000 kilometers height of the surface, they create green or yellow lights. If the collision happens lower between 1000 and 2000 of the surface with nitrogen, the lights can be blue. But red or purple colors appear when the sun's particles interact with hydrogen at the lower edge of the auroras. So, yes, each gas makes a different color, like the sky is a painting made by the sun.
Our initial ideas were interesting, but they were missing some details.
Yes, they were a bit incomplete, but now we have learned much more and understand the phenomenon better.
Exactly, it's always important to research and explore what makes us curious.
So, never asking questions or exploring the world around us. There's always something new to discover.